And after 8 rounds of talks between protesting farmers and the government, it's now scheduled for another round, 2 p.m. today. Farmers are en route to Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi, where talks will be held. They have threatened to intensify their stir if at all there is no breakthrough in talks today. Farmers are planning to enter Delhi for a tractor march on Republic Day. Before that, nationwide protest rallies are also planned between January 6th and January 20th. While farmers stick to their demand for repeal of the 3 farm laws, the government has maintained that it is ready for amends but won't withdraw it. In the last round of talks that was held on December 30th, agreement was reached upon on the last 2 out of, in fact, 2 out of the rest of the demands were met with. 2 out of 4 demands, we believe, the government has met with, but the deadlock still continued. In fact, this literally included legally guaranteed MSP and withdrawal of farm laws. Both these demands were not met with. Other 2 demands, the government seemed to have been approved.
अब जाकर देखेंगे आज का उनका क्या वो है सिस्टम, बात करेंगे अपनी सरकार से। हम यहाँ से नहीं जाते, हम तो फरवरी का बजट देखेंगे। ये मेरे तो ये अपील है कि लाइव चले, सारे कैमरे लगे, पूरा हिंदुस्तान देखे कौन क्या बात कर रहा है।
क्या आपकी मीटिंग लाइव होनी चाहिए?
हाँ, मीटिंग लाइव होनी चाहिए।
There is no legal hurdles. Government can bring ordinance and repeal it, and that ordinance can be passed in parliament. If there is required a political will, legal problem is not there. Whether the government stands with farmers or with corporate, there is no other in between. There is nothing.
Now, with some headway being made in the last round of talks, the government is quite hopeful for further breakthroughs. Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on Friday has said that the government is hopeful of a positive outcome in the 8th round of talks. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar also expressed hope that solution will be arrived upon in today's talks and that farmers will end their agitation. Farmers, on the other hand, are not so hopeful. They've in fact claimed that the government is trying to prolong the process of any kind of solution so as to derail the ongoing agitation.
मुझे प्रसन्नता है कि कुछ सहमति दोनों तरफ से बनी है। होने वाली वार्ता में दोनों अपनी हट छोड़ करके एक बीच का रास्ता अख्तियार करेंगे, ऐसी इच्छा और अपेक्षा हम रखते हैं।
Now let's take a listen to what Agricultural Minister Narendra Singh Tomar had to say after the 7th round of talks with farmers on December 30th.
जो 4 विषय चर्चा के लिए रखे थे, उनमें 2 विषयों पर आपसी रजामंदी सरकार और यूनियन के बीच में हो गई है। पहला, जो एनवायरनमेंट से संबंधित ऑर्डिनेंस है, उसमें फराली और किसान सम्मिलित हैं। उनकी शंका थी कि किसान को इसमें नहीं होना चाहिए। सरकार ने कहा है कि हम आपकी चिंता से वाकिफ़ हैं और इस मामले में दोनों पक्षों में रजामंदी हो गई है। दूसरा, किसानों की सिंचाई के लिए जो विद्युत की सब्सिडी दी जाती है, वो राज्य जिस प्रकार से पहले से देते रहे हैं वैसी ही चलनी चाहिए, ऐसी यूनियंस की मांग थी। उस मांग पर भी यूनियन और सरकार के बीच में रजामंदी हो गई है।
Well, remember, this is the 8th round of talks that will take place at 2 p.m. today. In fact, the last round took place on the 30th of December. So far, there have been 7 rounds of talks which have fallen flat. There's not been headway into those talks. This time, the government seems hopeful. The deadlock there continues because the government refuses to quash the laws and grant MSP in written. Here, the farmers say unless these 2 demands are met with, then until and unless these 2 demands are met with, which means they've got to completely quash the laws and guarantee MSP, until then, the agitation will pursue.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.